may need to search a document for a particular word or phrase, so you can use the built-in search feature to do this in Word. On the Home ribbon, in the editing group on the right-hand side, click on Find. And over here the navigation pane becomes in view. Whatever you type in the white bar, for example the word document, you'll see it's a live search and it starts searching. And it says at the moment in the document there are 37 occurrences of the word document. If we hover over one, it'll show us the page it's on. If we scroll down a bit and hover over this one, see it's on page 3 of the document. If we click on that, we get taken to that page. The other views are pages, so it shows you the pages in the document, and you'll see the word document is highlighted. And also, if there were headings in the document, just the headings with the word document in would be found. There is also the option of finding and replacing text. In this case, instead of going to find, we would choose replace in the editing group. And the find and replace box appears. Again, it removes what we were searching for last time, so it's document, and we're going to replace it with the word file this time. And we could do them one at a time by clicking on Find Next and saying Replace. And can you see it's changed to File, and now this one is Document. It's gone to the next occurrence, and if I say Replace, you'll see that has changed, and so on. Or we could just go and replace everything at once. And it prompts me I've made 35 replacements. And that's everything in the document. In the file, change the word document to file. You can be more specific in your find and replace by selecting things like match case, so you could only have the words that begin with an uppercase letter, or have a prefix or a suffix, ignore punctuation, etc. The choice is down to you. Similarly, you may want to change just some of the formats. So in the replace part, this time if you click on format, anything you could format like font, paragraph, tabs, etc. can also be used in the find and replace. There are also special features in the find and replace that can be used. For example, in this document, if I click on the show hide paragraph mark, you will see that some blocks of text have got manual line breaks in, which are signified by the right-angled arrows, and other blocks of text have normal paragraphs. Now the only downside is of this, it could have been downloaded off the internet like that, is if I click in the top paragraph and say right aligned, because everything is a line break, not a whole paragraph, the top 4 or 5 blocks of text move across to be right aligned. Now I'll make them all left aligned. So ideally we want all of the manual line breaks, as they're known, to be paragraph marks. So in this case again, I would go into the replace part, and I'm not looking for document, I'm not looking for file or replacing it with file. What I want is the special. And now here I'm looking for I want to replace the manual line break with, I'll just correct that, a paragraph mark. And when I say replace all, it's made 8 replacements, and now we can see that all of the manual line breaks are now paragraph marks.